Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 4 nail art tutorials, one for each Hogwarts houses. Okay, so let's get started. I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. I'm letting the first layer to dry before applying another. Then I'm adding a thick layer of top coat. Well, this step is optional. I've been applying a thick layer of top coat after applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat lately, because I've been noticing that this thick layer of top coat helps preventing nail staining. After letting that to dry, I'm applying a white base. This white base also helps my nails from staining. And I'll be also using tons of glittery shades, so it's much better to work with a white base for a nail art. After letting all of those layers to dry, I'm gonna start with my Gryffindor nail art. I'm using a liner brush and a glittery red polish, and I'm painting 3 vertical lines. Then I filled up a few with the glittery red shade. Then I added glittery gold shade to the other white spaces. By the way, I also did this design to my pinky nail. As for my thumbnail and ring nail, I'm doing this tile-like design. I'm starting by pinning a horizontal line in the middle of my nail. Then a horizontal line. After that, I'm filling it in with the 2 shades. As for my middle nail, I'm using this stamping plate by Maniology to create the Gryffindor logo. Then I'm filling it in with colors. After letting it to dry, it's time to apply a fast-drying top coat onto my nail. I'm letting this to dry a bit so that it will have a sticky surface, then I'll be stamping the design. And after all of that, it's time to apply top coat. And that's how I did my Gryffindor nails. For the other Hogwarts houses, I pretty much did the exact same design with their respective colors. So I'll just show you the clips of my reverse stamping videos of each logo. After doing my Slytherin nails, it's time for top coat. Now let's proceed with Hufflepuff. Then after that, I'm applying top coat. And lastly, let's do Ravenclaw nail art. After that, I'm applying top coat. And that's how I did all of these designs. And here are some pictures of my nails inspired by the Hogwarts houses. If you want to see more pictures, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. I'll be posting more pictures there. But before this video ends, let me show you the peeling off process of each nail arts. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!